up people, this is Khushi Zawar and you're welcome here. So आपको ये तो पता ही होगा कि टिकटॉक अभी इंडिया में बैन हो चुका है, बट डू यू ऑल्सो रिमेंबर दोज मिनी स्मॉल फूड रेसिपी हैक्स? Yes, I used to love them a lot. बट जब टिकटॉक था तब आई नेवर ट्राइड इट. तब वी वर लाइक देख देख के मजे लेते थे, बट अभी टिकटॉक चले गए तो यस आई रिमेंबर ऑल ऑफ देम. I want to try it now. So yes, today we'll track a few of those hacks, which includes yummy delicious things. Okay, so there is no loss in this. This is just try it out and obviously results are going to be yummy. So first recipe we'll try is brownie in a minute. For that you'll need a bowl. So bowl mein pehle we have to put 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, then 2 spoons of maida. So whenever I say spoon, that means tablespoon, and this is a tablespoon, this is a standard size. Then 2 tablespoon of water, then 1 tablespoon oil, pinch of salt, and then vanilla extract. So I will use only 3 to 4 drops of extract. Then you have to mix it well. So also if you have chocolate chips you can use it, but that is optional, it's not compulsory. This is how it looks right now. Okay, so now we have to microwave it for 40 to 45 seconds. It's ready. यार ये तो इतनी सी बनी, but it smells really good. Let's taste. It's very hot. It's yum. It's very tasty. Though it's very hot and also I guess वो proportions एकदम बराबर थे. I love it. But if you like it to be very sweet and sugary, don't just add 2 spoons of sugar. Add more if you want to. And also choco chip. I miss choco chips. अगर chocolate chips होते थे तो taste, maybe it would have been better. Very yummy. I'll rate it 8 out of 10 because ऐसे एज अ डिश इट इज़ वेरी डिलिशियस, बहुत यमी है. बट वो ब्राउनी वाला जो टेस्ट होता है ना वो उतना नहीं आ रहा है. बट येस डेफिनेटली यू कैन ट्राई दिस वन. इट इज़ वेरी यमी, बट ब्राउनी सोच के मत खाना इतना. सो फर्स्ट रेसिपी वॉज वेरी नाइस, बट नाउ वील हेड टू सेकेंड वन. सो आप लोगों ने मग केक तो सुना ही होगा, बट क्या आपने मग पिज्ज़ा ट्राई किया है? ओके, सो लेट्स ट्राई इट नाउ. फॉर दिस यू नीड अ मग. उसमें we have to add 3 spoons of maida, 2 and 3. Then a pinch of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 2 spoons of milk, 2 spoons of milk, then a little bit of oil, and yes, mix. So this is how it looks. So this will be the base. Then you have to spread it all over like this. You have to spread it like a base. So after spreading it properly, add some pizza sauce, but अभी तो सारे stores बंद है and I couldn't get pizza sauce, so I'm adding some chili sauce. Spread it properly. Add according to your need. Spread it properly. Then add some cheese. I'm using this Amul cheese cubes. I've cut it into cubes already. Add some cheese. Then if you're vegetarian, then add some vegetables like me. I'm adding some onions, capsicum. Then again I'm adding some cheese. And then time for oregano. And now some chili flakes. Look. Now we have to microwave it for 2 minutes. This is how it looks. I'm so excited for this because हर किसी ने mug cake खाया होगा and mug cake has really stood up to my expectations, and now I have very high expectations from this mug pizza. I don't know how will it turn out because base and all we are making it on our own, और base और पूरा topping सब साथ में हो रहा है, तो let's see how it turns out. I can already smell it. It is, oh my god, smell is very delicious. I'm waiting. Cheese overburn. Let's taste. Anyways, it smells amazing. ऐसा वो वाफ निकल रही है. I guess base is also ready. It looks quite nice. Delicious. It is, oh my god, it's very yummy. It tastes better than a pizza. I mean, obviously it tastes like a pizza, but I don't know, it tastes so good. I'll rate it 10 on 10. It's amazing, very yummy. Just the thing is, you have to blow a lot for it. And also the base seems amazing. It is quite ready. Look, it is very nice. It's nice. It's 10 on 10, guys. Try it. Amazing. Oh, also the first one was nice. You can have it together. It's amazing. Here comes my favorite one. I mean, favorite by name. I haven't tried it, so I believe that all of you miss Domino's and Domino's ka choco lava cake. So today I saw this recipe. I came across it and पता नहीं, I just wanted to try it because I miss it a lot. So this is lava cake. Let's try it out. For this, you will need a cup again. So for lava cake, you have to add 3 spoons of maida. 2 and 3. So after 3 spoons, 1.5 spoon of cocoa powder. 1 and a half spoon of, oops, come give you 1.5 spoon of cocoa powder, 2 spoons of sugar, 1 and yeah, sorry, come give you 2 spoons of sugar. Then after that 3 spoons of milk, 1 spoon, 2 spoon. यार इससे कम गिर रहा है. I'll have to add more. I guess ठीक है. 3 spoons of milk, then 1/4 spoon of table salt, 2 spoons of oil, 1 spoon, and 2 spoons of oil, then vanilla extract, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mix it well. smells amazing. Can't wait to try it out. Mix it very well. अगर you don't mix it well ना तो नीचे कप के edges में वो sugar ऐसे अटक जाता है, तो you have to take it also. Then पूरा अच्छे से mix it well. I guess milk कम पड़ गया है. It is very thick. Let's add थोड़ा सा और milk. And also in वो mug pizza वाला, don't bake it for 2 minutes. 2 minutes में वो cheese got burned. So I'll say try it for 1 minute 40 seconds or 1 minute 45 seconds, not more than that. That is sufficient. So this is my consistency. It is quite thick. It looks like this. After this comes the main part. Add some chocolates. So unwrap it. This is my chocolate. Break it into parts. It is quite, it's frozen. Okay, I'll break it into parts and come back. Yeah, मेरे parts तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही छोटे हो गए, but I'll recommend using silk because yes, it already comes into cubes. So after breaking it in parts, you have to add it in the mug like this. So I have added it in the mug, and then you have to cover it with that mixture. It shouldn't be on the surface. Like this, you have to cover it completely. And now we have to microwave it for a minute. Yeah, previous to recipes के वजह से मेरी expectations इतनी high हो गई है. Oh my god, I can't wait. It smells so good अभी. Oof. But yes, I'll say you should try all this because they don't even take 5 minutes, and look how yummy they have come out. First one was amazing. Second pizza was... So for pizza, you just have to chop out some vegetables, and yes, you can enjoy your pizza in 2 minutes. Wow. Okay, now let's check it out. Woof. No lava. No lava. Maybe it is because of the chocolate I used. Those were really small parts. I guess silk would have done a fair job. So yes, आप लोग तो silk ही use करना. But let's taste ये कैसा है. It tastes nice. Genuinely, it tastes very nice. But I'll rate it 8 because मुझे लावा नहीं दिखा. Maybe वो मेरा भी mistake है. But I was expecting a lava cake. But yes, it was very nice. So hopefully all 3 dishes were quite yummy. Quite not. They were very, very yummy. So also you can try it out. All 3 have a thumbs up. Go ahead, try it out and let me know in comment section if you like it or not. And for such more fun videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!